our customer, a repeat customer, who has just brought us in his brand new Subaru 2018. And what do you think of the results?
Well, first of all, my first car was in 2002, and Sandra and her team made the Audi look beautiful as if it was brand new again, even though it had little cancer spots over it. But I thought, well, why would you want to spend all this money on a brand new car when it's already a brand new car, and it should look its best when it first comes out of the showroom? When you look at what she did to this car, especially on the outside, I mean, the inside looks great again, but especially on the outside, it looks better than I could have ever imagined it coming out of a showroom. What I'm most excited about is being a new car and being a Subaru that we plan to take to Lake Tahoe quite often in the snow and the sleet and everything. I'm really excited about the ceramic coating that they put on top of the paint so that it replaces the need to do that standard old, polishing with wax. I don't need a wax. That ceramic coating is apparently bonded right to the paint itself, so that should last a lot more. Give the paint a lot more life to it, and maybe make it easier for the snow to just slide right off when we go up to Lake Tahoe. So thank you so much, Sandra and team, for making the car not only look newer than new, but now I get to take it home and brag to the wife.